Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I am Belinda and you're welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I grew my hair, my relaxed hair from above my shoulder to below my shoulder length. How I went from this to this. So if you want to learn one or two on how you can achieve this, watch this video till the end. You guys, 5 simple tips on how you can achieve that. So the fifth one is protective hairstyle. Yes, put your hair in a protective hairstyle, braids, twist, whichever protective hairstyle that it is. Make sure that your ends are protected and covered. So that is why it's called protective hairstyle. Put your hair in a protective hairstyle and you're going to retain your length, because there will be less manipulation on the hair and your hair will grow. So number 4, switch up your hairstyles. Don't be doing just one simple hairstyle all the time, repeating the same hairstyle. Like if you have a center part hairstyle today and then the next month you have center part, the next 2 weeks you still that part that you're always parting, you will notice that the part there will start expanding, meaning that you started experiencing hair loss in that part. So what you want to be doing is switching it up. If you have side part today, next hairstyle put the pattern here. Next hairstyle, don't put any pattern at all. Maybe you do updo the next. Just always switch up your hairstyles. So that way you're going to retain your hair length and you're going to see that your hair is actually growing. Because majority of human beings out there that's growing out hair, we grow our hair on a regular basis. I don't know if it's every day or weekly, I don't know, but our hair grows. If you are not suffering from alopecia or any other hair issues, we grow our hair on a normal basis. So the only problem is how we retain that hair. If you grow an inch today and then you break an inch today, it will automatically look like you're not growing any hair, but actually you're growing that hair. You just have to find a way to retain the length, and that is what protective hairstyle does for you. So number 5 point, keep your hair in a protective hairstyle. Number 4, always switch up your hairstyle. Don't do one hairstyle all the time. Number 3, 1 minute, moisturizing, or should I say pre-poo. Always deep condition your hair. Give your hair protein treatment. Don't just leave your hair like that dry. It always goes back to like making your hair break. It will lead to breakage. So always moisturize your hair, deep condition your hair, put leave-in conditioner on your hair, whether your hair is relaxed or natural. I mean the virgin or relaxed hair or texlaxed. However, the texture that your hair is, always deep condition it pre-poo, and then your hair is going to be soft. And when it's soft like that, it won't break easily, so you're going to be able to retain so much. Number hair. 2, always keep your hands away from your hair. Like touch it. It's not going to help you grow your hair. It is not. So guys, you need to keep your hands away from your hair. Learn to leave your hair alone. If you braid your hair today, leave it the way it is. Don't manipulate it too much, because the more you manipulate, the more it's going to break, whether we like it or not. The amount of time your comb runs through your hair, it increases the amount of hair that you're going to lose. So try to keep the comb away. Keep your hands off your hair for a reasonable period of time, maybe till you want to take it down or when you want to moisturize your hair. But just don't always put your hands on your hair, and you're going to see that you're going to retain very important. The number 1 tip I'm going to give you guys to retain your hair length, to move from having a short hair to a long healthy hair, is avoiding heat. Say no to heat. Heat is not your friend. Coiling iron, flat iron, use that for your wigs and all that. Don't use it for your natural hair. So stay away from heat and you're going to retain so much length. Your hair is going to be healthy. You're not going to be suffering from breakage or dryness or split ends, because the more heat you apply on your hair, the more you're weakening the hair strand, and it's going to be prone to breakage, and you're going to be suffering from hair loss. So in order to avoid all these long things that I just mentioned, keep the heat far away from you. So guys, that is my 5 tips on how to retain your hair length, how to grow your hair from short hair to long healthy hair. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like and share this video. Comment in the comment section what you would like me to talk about next, and I'll be sure to make a video for you. So that being said, I'm still Belinda, and I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye bye.